Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I can finally do a full face of Fenty Beauty video because I finally picked up the Moroccan Spice eyeshadow palette. I know, I'm pretty sure I'm a whole year late and I was supposed to review this before, but you know, life just gets hectic, and I feel like if you don't review things within like a week or 2 weeks after they launch, like no one cares anymore. So by the time I did remember it, like everyone had moved on, so I was like, is there really a point anymore? But I finally purchased it, so here it is, and I figured, you know, I would do a full face of Fenty Beauty. So because there are a lot of products to get through, let's go. So I used the Pro Filt'r Amplifying Eye Primer, and they say to set the eye primer with the Fenty blotting powder. So that's what I'm going to do, and just going to push that in there. Now for eyeshadow, I feel like when everyone was doing looks with this palette, everyone was using the blue. So I'm gonna try is the key word here, try not to use the blue in this look and do something different. But I'm going with this shade right here, and we're just going to brush that on. This is an okay mirror in this palette. Y'all know we care about mirrors over here on this channel. Okay, let's not blind everyone. I'm gonna use this shade right here and just somewhat go into the crease, not all the way though. And then let's try this pink shade as my lid shade and just, oh, that is a very pretty shade. We're just gonna pat that on. And I kind of want to use this green shade as an outer corner color, even though it's a shimmer. But if y'all haven't noticed by now, my channel is very, you know, trial and error. We just do what we want to do and see how it goes. So that's what we're gonna do and see how this goes and hope it works. Okay, so let's start out slowly here since we don't know how this is going to go. Just placing it on, and then, you know, you can start doing some of that. And a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Alrighty then, don't look completely crazy. Thoughts on the palette? It blended nicely, the shades were pigmented, but it was really powdery, like really powdery. I just wanted to do a whole all over the palette after every shade that you use. So, you know, I'm pretty sure most of you have probably bought it by now if you wanted to, but if you haven't, keep that in mind. I'm not gonna use their primer. I did purchase it, but I'm not gonna use it because it does break me out. So I'm just gonna use this Farsali liquid glass. Ooh, can I ever go through a video without dropping something? So I am going to use the Pro Filt'r concealer in the shade 420 there. I'm pretty sure I have videos on all of these things separately if you want, you know, like more in-depth reviews there, like wear tests and stuff like that. But since I've done that, like this is really just gonna be like a, you know, tutorial-ish type video. And oh, and if you guys didn't know, I put my concealer products on before foundation. I went a little overboard with concealer today. Oh, don't mind this. I pushed my bonnet back so I don't get makeup on my forehead, on my bonnet. I went a little overboard with concealer today, but that's okay. You know, I'll just use less foundation. But for foundation, I'm going to use the Pro Filt'r in the shades 445 and 440. I don't know, today feels like a very do whatever, you know, just mix and match and see what happens there. So that's what we're going to do. And I'm holding my hand like this because it's running down the back of my hand. But let's just one little dip in there. Really see where I need foundation before I start blending it out. Yeah, let's go with that. And then I'm gonna cook my face with the setting powder in Banana. Yeah, let's do that. Dry skin, might not wanna do that with this powder. I have combo oily skin, for anyone who doesn't know, and even I have found on those days, especially since, you know, we're getting out of winter, those days where my skin, even though I have oily skin, was just not having it and was feeling dry, baking with this powder was just not the business. It's more of a set your face type of powder there as you go, but my face is not dry today and I feel like baking, so we're going to just, you know, like be careful with it. It can go from okay to crazy real quick. This is their Match Stick in Espresso, right? Yes, there's still foundation on the back of my hand, and I'm just going to contour with this after I wipe off my hand and just do a little some light there on my face. And then I'm going to bronze with Mocha Mami, Mocha Miami, Mocha Nights, what else did I call it in that video? Milk of Magnesia, which people actually got offended over. Like, relax, whose ass was you gonna beat, first of all? Second of all, like, this is what we're really upset about? Like, really? Okay, you know what? Let me just my forehead there. For blush, I'm going to use Penny For You Thoughts. Use some Ginger Binge and Moscow Mule to highlight. And then for my lips, I'm not sure what I want to do. If I want to just keep it simple with Gloss Bomb, because you can never go wrong with Gloss Bomb, or if I want to use their actual lipsticks, because I do have all of those. Y'all know the ones in the like little rose gold. Y'all know their lipstick. Hopefully you know what their lipstick packaging looks like. We're just gonna go with Gloss Bomb. Yeah, let's just go with Gloss Bomb. For the longest time, I did not realize that this had a shade name. I was just calling it like the universal shade, but no, it has a whole shade name. It's called Fenty Glow, and I'm just going to plop that on. Make sure you can see, and I mean, it really is a universal shade because I don't think I've seen anyone who this doesn't look good on. So I also threw in some of a Diamond Milk in the middle, and what else? Mademoiselle. That's what it's called. That is it for this look, and I feel like there's a very big drastic difference between this look and the last look that I posted, where the last one was more, you know, summer and sunshine and rainbows, and this is more, you know, I am on the way to collect my husband's insurance policy after his mysterious passing there. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I got, you know, requests to do this a while ago, even though technically the first video that I uploaded on Fenty Beauty when it launched was kind of like a full face, but this is like, you know, a revamped version 2 of that. I am here for it. They make it very easy to be able to do a full face of Fenty Beauty. I think the only things I don't have are the black liner and the colorful liners that just came out, which I'll get at some point. But yeah, I'm doing this. I'm feeling it. And y'all know I'm still feeling this wig. And I honestly feel like this wig gets bigger every time that I wear it, but that's not the point of this video. The point was on a full face of Fenty. I'm not gonna bore you guys with my opinions on all of the products because, like I said, I have videos for pretty much all of them, which I will leave in the description box down below. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope you like seeing this video, and yeah, so make sure to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you on the next one.